Hi everyone, today we will learn the difference between since and for. Since is used to show the starting point of time. For tells us how long something has continued. Here is a formula to remember. Since plus starting point. Since 2020, since Monday, since 8 a.m., since January, since yesterday. These all shows when did it start. So we use since before starting point. Here is a quick formula to remember. For plus duration or period of time. For 2 hours, for 5 days, for 3 months, for 10 years, for a long time. These all shows the duration of time. So we use for. Now remember this easy rule. Since when did it start? For how long? Let's understand with some examples. I have lived here since 2020. She has been busy since Monday. I have lived here for 2 years. She has been busy for 2 years. Here is a quick comparison. Since when did it start? For duration of time. Since 2022, since Monday, since 8 a.m. For 2 years, for 3 days, for 4 hours. Here are some common mistakes you must avoid. I have lived here since 5 years. 5 years is duration of time. So, it's a wrong sentence. I have lived here for 5 years. It's a correct sentence. She has worked here for Monday. Here, Monday is when something started. So it's a wrong sentence. She has worked here since Monday. It's a correct sentence. Here is a quick quiz for you. She has been studying English blank 3.5 years. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to English class for more interesting and easy lessons.